Yo, what's good, everybody? It's your boy Kemo Commissioner. So I'm back with another video. I know last week I didn't drop any video, but I have some minor problems. So if I may say, because unfortunately I cracked the screen of my PC, but you know it's better to focus on like having solutions than focusing on like problems. So this week I'm having GPNZD. On the previous video where I said like okay GPNZD is dropping. So people who were impatient enough to enter immediately where the price was like a current market price could have made profit. But I'm trying to be as sure as I can on this video because I have to upload it without editing it then I'll drop it for everyone to probably watch to actually watch it. So if you're looking at this GP and ZD, we had like a series of this was a low. My bad. I'm trying to use like this brush tool. So you had like a low, you had like a lower high, no sorry higher low, you had a higher high, higher high. Actually, this higher high was broken and kept on having series of higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low, and then this higher high was actually broken by this demand area, this demand zone, and then we formed a new high. So now that we are having now a new high, if I may look into price the way it is moving, I'm actually seeing something like this. So we're having a demand zone here, like I just mentioned just now. So this is our new demand zone on the 4 hour time frame, right? So this is like my main focus right now. I'm focusing on like entering off buys on this. I'm actually gonna set my buy limit. So there's actually two ways to enter off this. So I'm not gonna use the break of structure indicator, not indicator. I'm not gonna indicate where the break of structure is, but I just mentioned here it is. So I'm just trying to like be as short as I can on this video. And this is actually my trade idea, my trade setup, the one that I'm trading. I'm not saying like okay, you guys should enter off this because I'm not giving any financial I'm not giving any financial advice or signal or teach anything, but I'm just doing this as part of documenting my journey when it comes to like trading. So this is what I'm seeing, and this is the low that this is the low that was this is the low that caused this break of structure. So if I have to enter, I'm gonna enter on the demand zone. But here's the thing: I'm not gonna place my stop loss at the zone where it says 2,2587. So I'm just gonna place my stop loss here in case market plays around here and then goes to my direction. You know, and there's another way also of entering. So here's another way. So here's the second place to enter from. Actually, okay, it was not mitigated. So the 75% zone. So these are my two setups for this week. This is actually only one setup but two entries. So this is where I'm actually planning to enter from. Now guys, if you look into this, like you can see it's easy to trade this strategy using like the 75% zone instead of looking for like a perfect demand zone or like an order block whereby you want to enter. And here's the thing, I'm gonna place my stop loss below this. Like this is what I always do. I place my stop loss below a lower bit because other spreads from certain brokers you might get taken out without going to profits uh because of like spreads. So if you look into the 75% zone, it is like more accurate compared to the demand zone because judging by this this is your this is probably a daily order block, and this one daily demand zone, daily order block, this one is more accurate when it comes to the direction of the market. But nonetheless, this is how you can enter off uh, on this trade. So guys, please don't forget to leave a comment if you want to comment something. Subscribe to my channel and actually be active on this, because like currently we are on like 91 subscribers. You know, we're growing day by day, bit by bit. So showing up every day matters more than anything. So I don't look at the numbers and say, okay, like because like I'm getting like less numbers, I'm not gonna drop videos. But I'll drop videos regardless of how many numbers I have. Because at some point you're gonna look back and say, okay, we made it. Nonetheless guys, subscribe to my channel. See you on the other video.